Hey, it's time for a new haul. Guess what I got? Not one, but two bags. We got Shein and Temu. So, and I have a little AliExpress bag too. So, AliExpress, only one thing. These lovely pink rhinestones with mirror backs. They're in all kinds of shapes. There's heart shapes, teardrops, emerald cut. I don't know what that one's called. And then I've got a bunch of round ones. That's so cute. All right, next. Temu. So we've got nail files. These are 100, 180 grit, your standards. They're the thin ones, but they're cute. They're inexpensive and have roses on them. That made me just love it. I'm all about roses and cute things. And extra sticky tack for nail stands. For my nail stands. And nail charm box, a different size this time. Thought I'd try a little bigger one. Ooh, and this is for me. This is a little faux designer keychain purse bag. Got that in there. Look at that. Oh. Ooh, yeah. You won't say the designer name because that would be, you know. And liquid eyeliner. This is one of the kind with a stamper on the end. It should have a heart stamp. And it's sealed. Okay, give me a second. We'll come back to that. I'll show you at the end. And then a different eyeliner. These are so pretty. I got one of these on my Xanadu scoops and I wanted another one. It's got a rose on it. And this is a ring for my sweet love. If I can get it open. Okay, it doesn't want to open. Oh. A ring for my sweet love with the God of Mischief, who will be making a comeback this year. And Van Gogh washi tape, which I think would make fabulous nails. I'm going to do everything possible to make this into some nails. And then I've got a resin kit, because I did tell you I'm going to start making resin jewelry. So this is little measuring cups and little finger covers and stirrers and pipettes. And a kit to make little resin jars. I think these will be adorable. And this ring was for me. I hadn't seen anything like this before, and it wasn't like $2, not even on Temu. It's black metal with a purple and green iridescent stone. I thought that was beautiful. So let's see how that looks. Hope I got the right size. Oh, it's a little big. Okay. You can go on my right hand. There we go. And we've got dried flowers to go in the resin. These are slightly different than what I've seen before. We've got your standard little, like, daisy looking, but then I'm not sure what kind these were. Like, these big ones and these wispy pointed ones. I'm not sure what those are. And what's next? Oh, one more thing. These are some glass beads for making into necklaces or earrings. Not sure which. I guess earrings would be out since there's not a pair of any color, but necklace for sure. All right. Now we get our Shein bag. I've got a nail art bopper. It's you take, ooh, it's got extra heads. That's great. You take and dip this into your gel polish, or I guess regular polish too, and you can ombre down your nails very easily with it. That's nice. That will come in really handy. And little frame. I love putting my finished nails that I don't want to throw away in these. Like, you can put the whole set. If they're not too big, you can put 2 sets in it. And I can put them on display, like I have some on display on my rack, on my nail polish rack back there. And let's see. A lot of these are doubles in my Shein because I needed to resupply. So this is AB rhinestones, all round, flat back, multiple sizes. Love those. And this is clear mirror back rhinestones in different shapes. You've got round and you've got like heart shapes and just like the pink ones from AliExpress. And more AB rhinestones. More mirror back rhinestones. Black and gold flowers. I use these in my black nails that are up right now, and also in my witch nails that the video was up at Halloween. And white, purple, pink, yellow, green, blue roses, and daisies. Those are great on nails. This is nail mail. Oh, I love these jewels. These are so beautiful in person. I don't know if you can really tell on camera. They are iridescent. They change from like pink to purple to, and they've got an aurora quality, and they're all different shapes. Like, you've got little squiggles, you've got long teardrops, you've got, I guess you call it a kite shape, and there's traditional diamond shape, hearts, all kinds. They're gorgeous. Ooh. I got a lot of those. I got a little carried away. I got like a few colors because I'm just... Ooh, little bears. Look at these guys. Look at these guys. Little bears holding little rhinestones. So cute. These bears are so cute. And these butterflies. I've gotten some of these butterflies before and I love them. I don't want to put them on everything, but I didn't have enough. So now I've got them. Oh, there it goes. They look delicate. They're not as delicate as they look, but they're gorgeous little butterflies with rhinestones in the wings. And white hearts and gold caviar beads. More black and silver and gold roses. Another pack of bears. AB rhinestones. More butterflies. Nail piercings. So I can make charms, the kind of charms where it goes through your nail and hangs off. So that. I'm getting down there. What else have we got? More of the Aurora charms. Those are more of a orangey color. You can't really tell. It looks pink on the camera, but it's like orange to purple to pink. More of those colored flowers. More of the glass Aurora beads, or Aurora rhinestones, I guess you call them. I don't know. And look at these blue ones. Mermaid nails, or just blue. They shift from purple to blue to green. I don't know. I'm really picking that up. Maybe too much light. Let me see if I can turn off this light and see if you can really pick that up from just the room light. Oh, I think it's picking it up. Yeah, I think that's picking it up. And last but not least, red round rhinestones in different shapes and sizes, because Valentine's Day is almost here. All right, that's my haul. That's my nail mail. Love you all. Bye.